The slanderers, though cunning they may be, shall never know for whom it is I sigh. So well I know to veil from every eye. I make the noise and rumors far from me, and I love you and go elsewhere a feigning. Thus I know how to lodge my thought remaining.